Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase Rode wireless microphone. Currently, you are receiving the voice with the help of Rode wireless microphone. In this video, I will give you one quick interesting tips and tricks how you turn it on noise cancellation, and afterwards you use these features, which types of voice you are receiving. I will give you one quick demo as well. I'm going to outside in the roadside area, and afterwards which types of voice you are receiving. Let's see. First of all, we can see how to turn it on this one. First of all, you need to connect this one in your iPhone, and after one light is a solid, it means this is the connect. With the help of connector, you need to install the application Road Central. You just simply press here, and afterwards this application are providing you all types of information. Currently I connected here one transmitter. So look at this here. Before, this feature is noise reduction is turn it off, but if you use low and high, so if you enable the high, afterwards you receive outstanding voice after using these features. So this is the process to activate noise cancellation in your Rode mic with the help of Rode Central application. Now I will show you which types of voice you are receiving after using this feature. First of all, we just simply turn it off and then turn it on. Now you receive the voice after disable this microphone. So now noise cancellation feature is not enabled. This is the disable, and I am speaking here in the middle of the road, and such kind of voice you are receiving. So you receiving lot of noise. Now I just simply enable this feature, and let's see which types of voice we are receiving. Now I just simply enable noise cancellation features, and I just enter the middle of the road, and let's see. Hope you receiving the good quality of voice without any problem. So lot of noise is coming here in this road area. So this is the best comparison of noise cancellation. After activate the noise cancellation, which types of voice you are receiving, it's really good or not. So this is the demonstration how to enable noise cancellation features in Rode wireless microphone. So if you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.